Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bashir Ali from class senior 2. Today is Thursday and 14th of November. We will start off our day with the name of Allah. So I will call Anam Farooq for the recitation of some verses of Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للعنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان صدق الله العظيم.
Subhanallah. Then I will call Hasib for Hadith.
قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم لا يرحم الله من لا يرحम الناس. आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया जो लोगों पर रहम नहीं करता अल्लाह ताला उस पर रहम नहीं करते.
Subhanallah. I will call Hadi Ali for the speech of the day.
Respected principals, teachers and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to talk about a value that can make our lives and society more peaceful and harmonious. Tolerance. Tolerance means accepting and respecting the differences in others, whether they are differences in opinions, beliefs or behaviors. It does not mean we have to agree with everything others say or do, but it means giving people the right to be themselves without judgment or hostility. One of the best examples of tolerance comes from the life of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Despite facing persecution in Makkah, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam always showed patience and forgiveness. A remarkable example is how he treated the people of Taif when they rejected his message and mistreated him. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam chose not to curse them but instead prayed for their guidance. Another inspiring instance is the Treaty of Hudaybiyah. Even when the terms seemed unfair to Muslims, the Prophet ﷺ showed tolerance and diplomacy, prioritizing peace over conflict. Dear students, tolerance is not just about big events or historical moments. It is about our everyday actions. It means listening respectfully to others in class, showing kindness to classmates who may be different from us, and resolving conflicts peacefully. When we are tolerant, we not only earn respect from others, but also make our school a better place for everyone. Let us remember that tolerance is a sign of strength, not weakness. As the Prophet ﷺ said, the strong person is not the one who can wrestle others, but the one who can control himself when he is angry. So let's pledge to practice tolerance in our lives, starting from today. Together, we can build a society where understanding and compassion triumph our hatred and division. Thank you.
Hope you like our presentation. Thank you.
Welcome everyone and a very good morning. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you Sir Khalid and the students of Senior 2 for your participation. A big round of applause for them. We all have to be patient and tolerant at all times, right?
ईश्वर हसीन शाबाद तू निशान अज़्मे आलीशान अर्ज़े पाकिस्तान मरकज़े दीन शाबाद पाक सरज़मीन का निज़ाम कुव्वते